So, Friday 20th of March 2015, nice blue skies. So the event of today is the solar eclipse, and to look at this we've got our viewing box. So normal shoe box, taped over a piece of aluminium foil with a hole for a needle, a hole here for viewing with an eye or to push a camera through. So the pinhole here with the foil is going to project the image of the sun, which is going to be obscured by the moon, onto that white sheet at the back. So we're going to close the lid and be able to use this with our backs to the sun to safely view the solar eclipse. So here's the first picture taken in the box, 9:07 AM, and we're just seeing the moon moving into the path of the sun, taking out a little chunk from the image here in the box on the right hand side. So by 9:21 here, the moon's moved significantly into the path of the sun, so we're just seeing a fairly small crescent of the sun now.
This is Hugo looking at the eclipse through his shoebox camera.
Yep, so here we are, getting a really good view. So I've got my little pinhole here. Unfortunately the phone's not taking a good picture through my viewing hole. It can't focus on the tiny spot of light, but certainly with my eyes I'm getting a really nice clear view of the crescent sun being blocked out by the moon. Well, we're now at 9:25 and it is actually pretty dim here now. And I think this is about as the maximum of the occlusion that we can get. If we just go in here, birds certainly know about it. You can just see a tiny thin crescent of the sun here being blocked out by the shadow of the moon. Okay, so now we're at 9:37 and the moon's just starting to move back away off the sun now, so the crescent sun's just starting to get a little bit bigger as the moon moves out of its path. So 9:44 now, and the daylight has got noticeably brighter now, although there's still quite a pronounced crescent, as I'd say probably about half the sun is still being obscured by the moon. So 11 minutes past 10 now, and the moon's nearly moved out of the path of the sunlight coming towards us. Just a tiny little bit now, eaten out of that left hand side of the circle of the sun. So this will be the last photo, 10:28, and we're almost back now to the full sun. Just a tiny bit as the moon just leaves the path of the sunlight coming to Earth, and just that little bit eaten out of the projection of the image onto the back of the box.